Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and welcome to my website. Here we are. And I'd like to invite you to a special offer on my Import-Export Blueprint. If you look down on the page below here, guys, you'll see there's a special offer on my Import-Export Blueprint. So let me ask you a quick question. Are you thinking about starting an import-export business? Maybe you want to launch something on Amazon. Maybe you want to start selling products on places like Shopify, or you want to do drop shipping, or you want to buy wholesale. Maybe you're sort of uncertain about how to connect with suppliers on sites like Alibaba. Well, guys, what I've done is I've put together a really good introductory course. So maybe you've never imported from China before. Maybe you've never really connected with the suppliers in Alibaba. Maybe not too sure even the process of finding good products on sites like Alibaba, or knowing even what products to sell. So I put together a pretty great introductory course to importing from China and connecting with suppliers. So guys, check it out, take advantage of why we have it. It's pretty darn cheap. And and I hope this is going to be a great starting journey for your importing business. So if you want to do Amazon later on, that's great. If you want to do Shopify or sell on eBay, that's good. But there's a lot of options out there, guys. But the first thing is you need to get coaching. You need to get some sort of training. So this is a great introductory course, guys. Enjoy it. Take advantage. Click the link below, and I'll talk to you real soon. My name's Alex Ryan. See you later.